Some of the most intense and dramatic moments in court when judges have lost their cool. These moments are a reminder of the power and authority that judges hold in the courtroom, and how even the most composed and professional individuals can become frustrated and angry in the face of injustice and disrespect. From verbal outbursts to physical displays of anger, these moments are sure to leave an impression. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at 5 angry judge moments in court. Yeah, you heard it right. So let's dive in and look at some of the most memorable angry judge moments in court history. The Catch Me Outside Girl case. In 2017, Danielle Bregoli, popularly known as the Catch Me Outside Girl, made an appearance in a courtroom in Florida on accusations of grand theft, possession of marijuana, and filing a false police report. The allegations stem from an incident in which she was accused of stealing cash from an ATM. Bregoli got extremely irritated as the court read out her charges, and she began yelling at the judge during the course of the reading. Bregoli was given a warning by the judge, who was clearly irritated, to behave properly in his courtroom or face the possibility of facing more charges. Because Bregoli did not stop making a nuisance of herself, the judge eventually gave the order for her to be removed from the courtroom. The Casey Anthony Trial. The murder trial of Casey Anthony, who was accused of killing her daughter, Kaylee Anthony, who was just 2 years old at the time of the incident in 2011, was fraught with anxiety and intense feelings. An especially contentious exchange took place when Judge Belvin Perry reprimanded Anthony's defense team for persistently raising objections to witnesses for the prosecution. The defense was given fair warning by the judge and that they risked being held in contempt of court if they continued to raise objections without a sufficient basis. The George Zimmerman Trial. In 2013, George Zimmerman stood accused of killing Trayvon Martin and was put on trial for the crime. During the course of the trial, the defense attorney for George Zimmerman, Don West, made a joke during his opening statement that the judge, Deborah Nelson, found to be inappropriate. She reprimanded West by stating, "This doesn't strike me as very funny at all. I do not believe that this is acceptable behavior." The judge's irate response made it very obvious that she would not accept any inappropriate behavior in her courtroom. Despite the fact that West apologized and the trial continued, the judge made it abundantly plain that she would not. The OJ Simpson Trial. The criminal trial of OJ Simpson, which took place in 1995, was one of the most widely publicized cases of its kind in the annals of the United States history. The moment that stuck out the most was when Judge Lance Ida reprimanded the prosecution for trying to present evidence that he had previously determined was not admissible. This is one of the most memorable parts of the trial. It criticized the prosecution for its behavior, stating that this is not the first time that this has happened in this trial, and this will be the last time. The Michael Jackson Trial. Michael Jackson faced charges of sexual misconduct with a minor and went to trial in 2005. One of the most memorable parts of the trial was when Judge Rodney Melville admonished the defense for their attempts to drag out the proceedings by making numerous requests for continuances. Melville threatened the defense, stating that he would hold them in contempt of court if they did not stop delaying the trial. In addition to this, he reprimanded the prosecution for attempting to present evidence that he had already determined was inadmissible, and he warned them that they would be subject to sanctions if they continued to behave in this manner. These are only a few instances out of many in which judges have been overtly enraged while proceeding over legal proceedings. It is not very frequent for judges to lose their control, but it does take place on occasion. These instances serve as a timely reminder that the courtroom is a solemn setting in which adherence to standards of respect and decorum is obligatory at all times. Additionally, it emphasizes the need of adhering to the rules of the court and avoiding wasting the time and resources available to the court. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.